Roman food. Much of the food we eat today in Britain was first introduced by the Romans. Before they invaded, Britain already imported wine and olive oil. After joining the empire, the Romans brought across new foods that widened the British diet, including vegetables such as carrots, cabbages, cucumbers, celery, peas, and radishes, fruits like figs, cherries, and plums, fish sauce, a popular import used in many recipes, herbs and spices such as rosemary, coriander, garlic, and basil, grapes for winemaking, because wine was expensive to import. Fast food stalls called thermopolia sold hot food to people to eat on the go. Agriculture was highly valued by the Romans. They learnt farming techniques from other cultures and were able to enjoy a varied diet. For breakfast, ientaculum, they ate pancakes or bread with honey and dates. Their light lunch, prandium, would include bread, vegetables, and cold meats or fish. If you were poor, dinner, cena, would be porridge and vegetables flavoured with herbs. For the rich, dinner was often a lavish event with several courses of exotic food. Wealthy Romans ate all sorts of animals and birds: wild boar, deer, goats, lambs, hares, dormice, chickens, geese, pigeons, pheasants, and even peacocks. Dinner parties were held in the dining room, triclinium. Guests would lay on couches around a square table, eating with their fingers. Servants washed the guests' hands and even brought in chamber pots so that they could empty their bladders.
Yuck, that's smelly.
Dinner sometimes lasted 8 hours, and according to the writer Seneca, they would vomit so that they may eat, and eat so that they may vomit.